Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat and welcome to our live. Let the battle begin. First ball mapupunta sa Hill City. Quaresma, no. Here comes LA using the board in the first basket. Welcome back home from LA at Ienza. And the second basket. No good. There comes LA. What an extra pass. Boy, ganadong-ganado. Si LA at ang Mr. MVP. At Ienza, LA. Combines. Pass to Rosales. Oh. Here comes. Oh, what an extra pass. Number 25, through strong. Combines to Rosales. Here comes Rosales. No. Rosales with the putback. No good. Yanga with the rebound. Pass to Jola. Pass to Joe. Yanga and gets the foul.
First ball.
In the free throw area, Joe Yanga. First basket mula. First basket niya dito ngayong gabi. No good. Once again, here comes LA. LA running shot. Yanga to Cardenas, 4-3, no. Rebound by Rombines. Rombines, bounce pass, Quaresma, no. Rebound ng mga nakitim. Here comes LA. Stop and pump, no. Rebound by Joe. Yanga with a putback. What a nice shot there para kay Joe Yanga Adamos. 7-2 ang ating talaan. Rombines, backdoor pass. Hoy, no good. Number 35, no good again. Seal by ayan na. Hoy, no good. Rombines, short. Here comes, steal by Quaresma. Quaresma to Rosales, using the glass and score. 7-4. Oh, another steal para sa Hill City. Here comes Atan. Bounce pass. Wow, sayang. Muntika na. Ang ganda pa naman nun. Galing kay Atan. Hindi ko na nagalaw yung oras. Sorry. Remaining time is 6 minutes and 23 seconds. Here comes Joe Yanga. Kick out. Pinasa loob. Uy, too strong. Rebound. Makakuha ni Joe. And Joe Yanga Adamos. And one. Basket count para kay Joe Yanga. Bonus shot for a 3-point play. Okay, basket is good para kay Joe Young. 10-4 ang ating talaan. Quaresma. Ayan na, pinasok na si paring Knock-Knock. Laurente para sa green shirt. Rosales. Attacking the basket. Steal. Passing the wrong man. Time remaining 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Kick out, LA with the ball. Pass to number 69. Kick out. Cardenas for 3. And a first 3-point dito galing kay Cardenas. 13-4 ang ating talaan. Biggest lead of the game. The biggest point of the game. Atan, may taka ng bola. Fake pass to Laurente from the elbow 3. Too strong. Rebound by Cardenas. Pass number 29. Here comes. Hoy. Bad pass. Atan. Rosales. Basket is good. By Benedict Rosales. 13-6 ang ating talaan. Number 69, pass to LA. LA with a traveling violation. Remaining time 4 minutes and 54 seconds. Atan. To paring Knock-Knock. Laurente, pass to Atan, fake. Stop and pop. Basket is good. By Joe. Atan. Ganiana. 13-8. Here comes Reyes. Too strong. Out of bounds. Post. Knock-Knock. Okay, isa sa mga napaka-importante ng laban na ito para sa kabilang panig. Laurente with a fake. Dahil positioning po ang magiging nakakalabasan na ang magiging resulta nito sa standing. Here comes Cardenas. One-handed shot. Basket is good. Para kay Cardenas. Laurente to Rosales, fake. Rosales, rep. Time remaining 3 minutes and 44 seconds. Pinasok na rin dito si Quaresma. Quaresma, pass number 8 and gets the foul. Shooting the line at jersey number 9. Basket. Second shot by jersey number 9. No good. Rebound by number 15. That's Chedoro. Back to Quaresma. Robbie. Atan. Stop and pump for 3. Yaks it down. 3-point para kay Atan. Ayan na. Humahabol na. Baba sa 3 ang lamang ng Ducks. Oh, steal. 2 against 2. Atan. Oy, no. Rebound by Kenneth. Here comes Tobis. Tobis, kick out. Cardenas, libre sa 3. At hindi binigo. Si Kenneth Tobis. Cardenas with the 3. 18, 12 ang ating talaan. Robin. Steal by Tobis. Pass to LA. Akin na to. Para kay Mr. MVP. LA Tienza. Time out dito. Ang Hill City. Official score is 20-12 in favor of the Ducks Black Team. And shoutout po kay ating former kagawad. Ayan si kagawad Ambo San Gregorio. Magandang gabi po at sa kanyang anak po na si Kuya Arnel San Gregorio. Ayan, good to see you again po, kagawad Ambo San Gregorio. Ayan, sa mga OG natin dito yan sa ating barangay Santa Lucia. Magandang gabi po, kagawad Ambo San Gregorio. At ayan pass to Juarez. So that's Rosales. No good. Rebound by Reyes to Tobis. Pass to Jola. Binigay sa corner. Here comes Cardenas. Pass to Reyes. Binigay kay Kenneth. Kenneth 4-3. Bang! At unang basket dito ni Kenneth Tobis. 23-12. Here comes Rosales. Rosales and gets the foul. 2 shots para kay Rosales. Benedict. First shot para kay Benedict Rosales. Basket is good. Time remaining natin 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Rosales. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Jola. John. Pass to basket. Sa dulo ng tila ka, sorry. Coach BR. Ayan na, binigay sa corner. Tumira, no good. And out of bounds. Ayan, ang mananalo daw po dito, if I'm not mistaken, ay haharapin sa ating semifinals. If I'm not mistaken, ang ating defending champion na ang Bad Boys Tangerine. Or PR Lozano, back-to-back basket para sa Black Ducks. 27-13. Here comes Quaresma. Pass to Rosales. Rosales using the board. Basket is good. Uy, shoutout kay Boss Boyet. Kasama natin dito, Kenneth Tobis. Ayan, shoutout kay Boss. Happy Fiesta. Hey! Pare, kumusta naman niya? Shoutout ko mo lang, pre. Busy. Shooting the line, jersey number 3, Kenneth Tobis. No good. Time remaining 1 minute with exact number. Second shot para kay Kenneth Tobis. Kenneth is good for the second try. 28-15 ang ating talaan. Robin. Pass to munti ka na magawan. Here comes Robin. Quaresma. Steal yan. Jola out that pass. Out of bounds. Rep. Gilid lang, rep. Gilid lang. Pag nandito yung bola, pagpaso lugod. Para makukay gitna. Thank you. Steal by Kenneth. 1-on-1 to Rosales. Back. Pass. Jola, too strong. Ayan na. Kenneth. Waiting for his teammate. Jola, binigay kay PR. Coach PR, fake. Kay Cardenas. Oy. Time remaining, last 10 seconds. 10 seconds remaining. Here comes number 9. Pass to Quaresma. Quaresma, top of the key for 3. No! At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Official score 28-15 in favor of the Black Ducks. Ayan, lamang po sa ating first quarter ang Black Ducks. Tayo dadawa na sa ating second quarter. Maya lamang po. Punta muna tayo sa inyong mga shoutout. Comment down below naman po. Sisikapin natin mabasa po yan. Ayan, happy viewing po sa 13 na tao na nanonood sa ating live. Ayan, advance happy fiesta sa ating mga kabarangay dito sa Barangay Santa Lucia. Magandang gabi. Okay. Going to the second quarter. Okay. Atienza to Jola. Jola. Pass to Kenneth. Here comes Jola. Stop and pump. Short. Out of bounds. Green ball. Here comes Quaresma. Pass to Rosales. Top of the key. Short. Rebound by Joe. Steal. Quaresma with the ball. Pass to Pinpin. Pinpin. Binigay sa corner. Here comes Calub. Calub. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Uy. There's a foul by the jersey number 3. Yan is Kenneth Tobis. That is first personal foul for Kenneth Tobis. On the free throw area, Robin Quaresma, no good. Second shot for Robin. Wala. LA, may tahan ng bola. Crossover. LA with the reverse layup. No good. But merong foul. Ang tinawag. Yeah, shooting the line. LA then Atienza. First shot for LA. Basket yan. Time remaining 9 minutes and 14 seconds. Basket is good. 15-30. 15-point lead para sa Black Ducks. Quaresma Robin setting on the play. Isolation. Binigay to Quaresma. Pass to Calub. Calub cross. Stop and pop. It gets the contact. All dito si Joe Young Gadamos. On the free throw area, Calub. First shot para kay Calub. Wala. Second shot for Calub. Basket is good. 16-30. Baba sa 14 ang lamang ng Black Ducks. Pass the corner. LA stop and pump. No. Rebound by Rosales. Here comes Pinpin. Ayan na. Quaresma with a strong drive. 18-30. Baba sa 12 ang lamang ng Black Ducks. Here comes LA. Pass to Jola. Kick out, Kenneth for 3 from the corner. At dish. Binigo si Jola doon. Robin to Pinpin. Pinpin. Pinas sa corner. Here comes Quaresma. Catch and shoot. No. Rebound by Jola. Jola with the ball. Oh, steal by Rosales. Rosales with the layup. Baba sa 13 ang labang ng Black Ducks. Pass to Kenneth. 4-3. Short. Rebound by Rosales. Rosales up and under. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Tobis to LA. LA with a layup and gets the foul. Foul number 8-16, and that's Caleb. Second personal foul daw po. Second team foul. 2 shots para kay LA Atienza. First shot is good. Second shot for LA. Basket, yan. 35-point lead. Here comes Pinpin. Pass to Laurente. Laurente binigay sa corner. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound ng mga naka-green. Here comes Quaresma. Binigay sa corner. Jump shot is good by jersey number 27. 35-22. Baba sa 3 namang LA. Binigay sa corner. Ira. Short. Rebound by number 27. Pass to Quaresma. Quaresma nagmamadali. Pass to Pinpin. Binigay kay Quaresma. Quaresma with a fake. Binigay ulit kay Knock. Here comes Laurente. Oy, munti ka na magawan. Robin, sidestep. Reverse layup. Walang tawag. Ate referee doon. Jola with the ball. Pass to LA. LA nagmamadali. Oy, and gets the foul. Foul number 46, that's Robin Quaresma. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 28 seconds. Coach PR, pass to Joe. Pinagay kay Cardenas, back to Joe. Joe, catch and shoot, no. Rebound by Laurente. Laurente to Quaresma. Here comes Robin, back to Quaresma, fake. Hesi, attacking the basket, short, rebound by Coach PR. Ayan na, binigay, Tagayon, Cardenas, back to LA. Ooh, what a move by LA Atienza. 37-22. Pinpin, pass to Knock. Pinigas sa corner, fake. Here comes Quaresma. Pass to number 27 off the corner, no good. Rebound by PR. LA na naman, gets the shot, no. Rebound. Oy, back pass, what a pass by Atienza. At yan na, nagpapakitang gilas na si Mr. MVP. Pinpin, babawi sa 3. At yan na nga, nakabawi si Pinpin. It's a 3-point coming from Pinpin. 39-25. PR Lozano, pass to Cardenas, catch and shoot, no. Rebound by Robin. Here comes Quaresma. Oh, steal by Tagayon. Pass to LA. LA, pass to Cardenas. Back to LA. Atienza. Basket yan. A combo 1-2 combination ng magbayaw. Cardenas to Atienza. Here comes Robin. Robin's attacking the basket at nakalusot doon. Si Robin Quaresma. 41-27. Lamang pa rin po ang mga nakiteam. Tagayon, back to Tagayon, and that's a trouble. Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds para sa ating first half. 27-41. Bola rito ng mga naka-green shirt. Uy, matama ka dyan, bro. Dito ka, dito. Laurente, reverse layup, no. Rebound ng mga nakiteam. Here comes Jola. Jola, pinasa loob. Lozano gets the contact and gets a foul. Good shot para kay PR Lozano. First shot para kay Coach PR. Ay, sorry. Uy, wala. Second shot. Baka man ako dyan, tol ah. Ingat ka dyan ah. Bakal yan. Ingat ka dyan. Dito ka na. Huwag ka naman na dyan. Baka may aksidente ka pa dyan. Safety ha. Okay, basket para kay Coach PR. 27-42. Pin, 4-3. Wala. Rebound by RJ. Pinasa na rin para sa Hill City. Here comes Rombines. Pinasa loob. Jump shot, no. Rebound by Jola. Here comes Jola. Nagmamadali. Spin. Jola. Use their experience. And he gets a basket doon. Tumahanap pa ng contact ng foul si Jola doon. Ayan na, RJ to Rombines. Binigay sa corner. Pin. Backdoor pass to RJ. Flores attacking the basket. Losing the board. Wala. Rebound by the black team. Here comes Jola. 2 against 2. Kick out Cardenas. Libre sa 3. At hindi na naman. Binigo ni Cardenas sa 3. 47-27. Biggest lead of the game. 20-point lead para sa Black Ducks. Here comes Teodoro. Ayan na. Sinigay. Uy, that's a Nori rather. Rebound by RJ. Dito kayo. Wag. Oh, basket para kay Teodoro. Dito ba tamaan kayo dyan, guys? Tamaan ka dyan dito. Dito ka na lang. Matamaan ka dyan. Mahirap na. For safety tayo. Time out. Time out. Hill City. Fishes score 47-29. In favor pa rin sa Black Ducks. Time remaining 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Okay lang yan. Shoutout? Shoutout mo tayo habang wala pa.
Shoutout kay Daddy Rapa.
Yun o, Daddy Rapa.
Daddy Rapa. Tapos kay Mami Bernie.
Yun o. Gilid lang kayo ah. Kabibilis mga takbuhan ng mga yan. Okay, back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 6 seconds para sa ating first half. Rombines. Ayan na, umatake, block. Rebound by PR. Here comes Coach Jola. Jola with the spin. Pass to Reyes, hand off to Jola, binigay. Lozano with the floater, wala, rebound. Makuha dito ni Teodoro. Teodoro, pass to Pinpin. Pinpin binigay sa corner. RJ and gets that trouble. Cardenas, pass to Jola. Jola, nakitawid ang bola rito. Bounce pass to Reyes. Naka-recover si Lozano. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Reyes. Reyes sa loob. Block there by Chidoro. And gets the putback by Reyes. Basket count and one by Reyes. Bonus shot for Reyes for a 3-point play by jersey number 20. Time remaining 1 minute and 19 seconds.
Bakit na yung ano?
Basket is good. Time remaining 1 minute and 19 seconds.
Tambak 21 na yun.
Rombines, back to Pimpin, back to Rombines from elbow 3, wala. Rebound makukuha ng mga naki-team. Here comes Kenneth and here's the foul. Penalty. Hill City under penalty situation.
Soprano.
Hmm.
Nathan.
Oo.
Dami na nag-siri.
Basket para kay Kenneth. Tobis.
Ilan to nabos kay Didi Ray?
Ha?
Kay Didi.
12.
Legit na yun nag-siri.
Di pa, pwede pa yun. No good. Rebound by Teodoro. Pass to Rombines. Rombines with the cross. Binigay sa corner. Step back 3 by RJ. No good. Rebound by Jola. Here comes Jola. Binigay kay Reyes. Reyes. No. Rebound. Makakuha ni Tenorio. Pass to Rombines. Here comes Rombines. Bounce pass to Pinpin. Back to Rombines. From elbow 3. Bam! 3-point para kay Rombines.
Papa!
Last 25 seconds. Bola rito ng mga naki-team.
Ay, may si Pernis.
Here comes Jola. Jola bounce pass to PR Lozano. Nakalusot pero wala ang tawag. Ang ating referee doon. Oh, steal by Jola for 3. Uy! Lozano! Wala pa rin!
Letter kay Jade Reyes Maria.
Okay, sige. Sayang. End of the first half. Official score. 51-32 in favor of the Black Ducks. Alright, halftime tayo. At magbabalik tayo. For the meantime, magkakat muna tayo ha. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. At magbabalik tayo. Maya-maya lamang po. Kakat muna tayo for the meantime, guys ha. Salamat.